to our resort that I booked for my grandparents and my family. My mom wanted to treat my grandparents for to a resort once, somewhere kind of nice, somewhere they can relax. And this is the place we chose, so I'll show you. Alright, so we're gonna go down this pathway of rice fields, and then you have this beautiful house. This is actually the reception area and the dining room area, but it's basically this whole pathway is all rice fields. And then look over there, it's a buffalo. Anyways, this is the entrance, so pretty. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my room. My family's room are all over here, so they're all staying in these 3 homes. And then I'm gonna be staying in these domes. My uncle, 2 of my uncles, and I'm gonna be staying in these domes. Super cute. Let me show you. So anyways, my view is basically the rice fields with cows. Well, isn't that cool? Okay, so this is my accommodation. Yeah, and then my uncles are gonna be over here. Anyways, I'm gonna open it. This is my room. It's like a glamping, basically. Nice and cute. Basically, you open that and go inside, and then there's an AC unit, and then you sit and enjoy the view. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go to my parents' room and show you what it looks like. So the entrance here, you walk inside. Right over here we have the bathroom, which looks like this, pretty generic, with a bathroom and the shower. And then walking over here, we have the shoe area with the robes, and then the dining area, not the dining area, the living room area here, and then a table, and then there's some more lounge area here, which looks really nice. And then the best part, just kidding, I'll save the best part for last. Anyways, I'm gonna go upstairs, and upstairs is actually the room. So this is where their bed is located. And this is their bed. Super cute. And then I'm going to show you outside. And then outside looks like this. There's a tub here, and then you can actually like take a bath with this whole scenery right here. Isn't it cool? That's a lantern with the seatings on the side over here. And then it's just like the scenery basically is a river out here. Look how lush this is. Wow. I'm so excited for everyone to be able to enjoy this. This is my parents' room, and my grandparents are gonna be staying in the next room over there. Okay. Alright, so we made it to the accommodation. This is grandma and grandpa's and uncles and auntie's room. I'm so excited for them because they're actually really excited too. But anyways, let me show you the view from their tub. Oh, look at grandma. Isn't this impressive? Hi. Hi, mom.
Hi, girl.
Hi, out there. Yeah. Okay, so we also have afternoon tea. Look at this. After this, we're gonna have dinner. So dinner's at 6. Afternoon tea. So pretty.
Mà cho cái mình mua cơm trắng hả? Cơm mình trắng.
No, xuống. Nó nói là căn xe kia.
Cái này có cơ sở mình coi ở Thái Hàn nhưng mà
nên cái chỗ họ xưa
Vậy nó đi chăng lại nhưng nó lại phải sử dụng điện sạc đi.
no có mà có xa lên nó xưa nó sẽ có cái nữa ok nè để haจะต้องเราไม่ชกกับเธอเป็นนอกตัวชายแอบนี่แหละชายตาแต่เป็น
So this town is super quaint, very cute. Cute little coffee shops over here and restaurants over here. Really chill. So I really like this area. All these cute decorations. So I hope you enjoy seeing a little glimpse of our resort stay here in the Nan province. I kind of wish we stayed here a little bit longer, but I'm just happy to see that everyone had a really good night's stay. So nice. Okay. Bye, look. Let's go. Let's go back. It was a really nice day.